Hey, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to do a knotless braid using a manikin. So you'll want to take your section and separate it out in 3 equal strands as best as possible. You'll grab your left strand, rotate the middle and grab your right strand. Make sure you have good enough tension so that the hair is not too loose. And you'll take your first strand, I'm using green hair so you can see it. You'll insert it right in between that thumb and index finger. Then you'll grab the natural hair with the extension hair and rotate. And you'll just continue this process on. So here we are, we're gonna get ready to add in our second piece. Again, add it in between that thumb and index. Grab both the client's hair and the extension hair together, tightly gripped. And make sure the whole time that you have a good tension on the scalp. Not too much, but enough. And here's my third piece. Now I've condensed my strands down to 3 pieces, but if you are just starting out, you can start with 6 pieces. The smallest being the first, the last or the 6th piece being the much more bigger strand to give your braid a complete thickness or whatever size you're actually going for, whether you're doing small, medium, or large. So one thing that I do, regardless if I'm braiding with color or not, it's just best practice, especially when working with natural hair clients. You always want to make sure that the braiding hair fully covers the client's natural hair. That allows for longevity so that the client can wear their hair a little bit longer without worrying about frizz. So here I'm going to show you, if you needed to add extra strands, how you would do it. So you would just open that hook, add it right in between that thumb and that index again. Grab hold of it with your left hand, grab your right and kind of twist down and tuck that strand in like I'm doing here. And just grab as tightly as possible. It should be this seamless. Whenever you're adding in extra strands, either to lengthen or to thicken the braid, it should not be noticeable where you actually added your additional strands. And make sure as you braid down, you're carrying a bit of tension right where your thumb and your index fingers are. That allows for a neater and more uniform braid. And just like that, it's just a seamless transition. Your knotless should be flat towards the top. And the key to that is to make sure you insert your first strand at the beginning of your braiding. If this was helpful, leave a comment down below. Let me know what other types of videos you want to see, whatever else you need help with. And as always, thanks for watching.